Hello everyone, it's the Mrs. here. Hi, I am back and I'm going to be doing a hair review with you today. Well, a hair product review, not a hair review, but a hair product review. So today I will be sharing with you guys this buttercream moisturizer. It's a daily buttercream moisturizer by TGIN, and it's made with shea butter and vitamin E. Wild Rose Haven Homesteading. And I will literally just read to you what it says here on the jar, because you know what? I couldn't write it any better right now, so I'm just going to read what it says. It says, it's a super rich and creamy everyday moisturizer for soft, shiny, manageable hair with no parabens, sulfates, petroleum, lanolin, artificial colors, or animal testing. Literally right there. Awesome. So I am excited about trying this. I have been seeing this popping up on my Amazon feed, and at first I thought it was something else. I thought it was a different brand, so I kept blowing by it and going, oh, no, I don't want to try that one. I don't want to try it. And then I was looking for something that was made all naturally, that was a daily moisturizer like this one that I can use in my hair. But the problem I've been having with some of the moisturizers that I've been finding out there is that at first it feels like it's fantastic and wonderful, and then it will dry out on me, or my scalp will get too dry and the hair will get flaky, or sun noise, or whatever. However, with this particular brand, I read the reviews, and I have to say, in this case, the reviews did help sway my decision in trying this product. So we will see if this is going to actually work for me. So all I've done is just I wet my hair, and I am going to take it out, and it is a little bit, I mean, it's not totally damp. Now this moisturizer, it does say that you can put it on your hair right after you wash it, or you can put it on when it's dry. So I went ahead and my hair is damp right now, and I'm going to apply this product with my hair being damp. The only other product that I have on this is a leave-in conditioner as well, and that is what the base is at the moment, and priming my hair for the daily moisturizer. I'm not going to talk about the leave-in conditioner because it is not the same brand, so we're not going to discuss it this time around, but I am coming up to that video for you soon. If you want to see that video, you want to know more about it, comment down below and I will check it out, and hopefully it will be enough to inspire me to do it. Oh gosh, so much drama. Seriously though, as far as doing that video, it's not so much that it's going to inspire me, but maybe it will reprioritize it as far as content that I will be able to deliver to you that you want to see sooner than later. Yeah. Okay, so let's get this stuff in my hair. It is still sealed. So, ooh. It smells very nice. Okay, cool. Like the scent. It smells to me a little bit more on the fruitier side. So if you like that, more of a fruit smell than a floral scent, then this might be the one that you might be interested in using. But it is really, initially when I first opened the jar, you could smell it right away, but it's not super strong. It's not an overpowering smell. And I think, throughout the day, it should kind of dissipate a little bit. All right, so I'm gonna section out my hair and start adding this on. And let's see how it does. So in this application, I'm gonna put my hair, leave it wet, and we're gonna try it, and then I'm gonna dry it out, and I will show you another one when I just apply it all dry and see what my hair looks like when it's dry, okay? Now, the other thing I liked about the reviews on this particular item too is that it seemed to leave your curls a bit more on the longer side. It kept the length. Ooh, look at that! It kept the length of the curls And that was the other problem I was having with some of the other moisturizers, is that it shrank my curls too much, and I wasn't too happy about that. It was just way too much shrinkage for me. So I'm hoping that these are going to be longer and pop like that. Please stay like that. Oh my gosh, if you do. Oh, I'll be so excited. Okay. All right. Like, just too much drama, right? Too much thrill going on there. But you don't understand. This will be years and years. Okay. So I think that's about as much as I saw this one lady put on there. We're going to try that amount and see if it's going to be too oily, because that's the other thing. I don't want it to be too oily or too heavy, and people were not really complaining about that. So that's the other thing I was really excited about, because I want the definition. There wasn't any complaints about flaking, none of that. Okay, so let me just go ahead, and at this point we're just gonna do the speed it up and get to the end of it and see what it all looks like when my head's all done. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Doink. And it's not shrinking too much here, so that's good. A little bit of shedding. Okay, so this is something I don't really normally do, or just a moisturizer. Like, can gather up all my hair like that. Nope, that's pretty cool. And keep my curl pattern like this without it being completely wet. Okay. All right. Let's see what it's doing. Just trying to show off a little bit. I hope it's not a disappointing teaser. Nothing worse than a disappointing teaser. Okay. And I decided to go ahead and put some on my scalp too, because one of the reviews that I read also made mention that it worked really well on their scalp. So I figured, why not try it while we're doing it and see what my results are going to be like if I, with having the product on my scalp too. Because you want to make sure you get it all the way down towards your scalp and the base of your regrowth, for the proper way of saying it, and roots for everybody else, layman terms. All right, so you want to get that really nice and even on your whole hair strand, so it'll be more of a uniform curl for you. Now they do, this brand does have a lighter moisturizer for more finer hair, or hair that is less porous as well. That might be better for you than this one. This one might be just a little bit too heavy for your hair. So there are other options, is what I'm saying. I found them on Amazon, and this is the first product in their line that I've tried, that I wanted to try before I explore any more other products. But if any of you have been looking at this line, have tried this particular product, and are also interested in trying their other products, but would like for me to check out my video and do it for you, then put that down in the comments below and let me know, and I will see if I can get that done for you, hopefully sometime this year. I'm just being constantly learning every day, and working on our homesteading projects that are somewhat of a challenge, so being newbies at it. Oh, and by the way, this is the longest my hair has been since I was a kid. I am really excited. I've been working on growing my hair back out. I had a little bit of a issue, and I will be posting my hair regrowth process or journey with you all too, and just sharing some of the things along the way that has either helped my hair grow or helped me lose my hair. But at this point, I've been able to baby it back to this length, and I am super excited. My hair hasn't been this long since I was a kid, so this is pretty cool. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my hair just like this for right now. And then I'll come back when it's dried out and I will show you guys what it looks like at that point. So I'll see you as soon as it's all dry. Guys, I'm back. My hair is pretty much dry. And this is how it looks. Like I told you, see, I have all these different textures in my hair. So, but it doesn't feel crunchy. Still feels a little damp here, I guess. Here it's dry, but as a wash and go situation, yeah, this works. I mean, you can expand it more if you wanted to, or settle it down even more, but it's soft. This is where it's dry here, but it holds the moisture for my hair is still moist right now. It's not completely dry. There you go. That's it. What do you think? Yeah? But I like the curl definition. I mean, it doesn't look like frizzy curls, which I'm really happy about. And at the moment, it still feels really nice and moist. The back of my hair actually is still damp back there. It's not completely dry in the back, but I usually have to like separate my hair. It's like really thick in the back. So for now, this is what it looks like. And like I said, you can kind of poof it up if you want. So I can expand it more if you want bigger hair. So you can expand it like that, or it looks like you can calm it all down. And there you go. So yeah, I like it. It feels soft. Where it is dry, it feels soft. It doesn't feel crunchy at all. Ooh, it smells nice. Nice light scent to it. Nothing overpowering. Where it's touching on my face, I don't feel like any kind of itchiness. Like sometimes if it has perfumes in it, my eyes will start kind of getting red and itchy, and I don't feel that going on. So that's good too. Now if you do is wait and see how my scalp reacts. That'll be like by tomorrow, so I'll check in with y'all tomorrow and show you if I'm having any kind of dry scalp issues, but for now this is where we're at. I don't have any flaking going on yet, so that's good. Sometimes that happens after I've tried a product, and like as soon as the product dries, then my scalp will start flaking and getting like red and patchy. So that's not happening either. So far so good. So that's where we're at. I will check with you tomorrow and show you what my hair or the hair feels like and how my scalp had reacted to it. And if there's any other reaction that I might be having as far as my face is concerned, where it's touching on my skin on my face. And hopefully, fingers crossed, this time I might have found something I can use for a little bit. So, woo. And the only other thing that we're going to have to check is once I have to shampoo it, if there's going to be any additional shedding to my hair, because that's another thing that I usually have a problem with, is like a lot of shedding depending on the product, because it ends up drying my hair out too much, or like it irritates my scalp and makes my hair fall out. So, yeah, I had that too. Woo. I hope this helps you in your decision. And if you need to wait to kind of get an idea of if there's any kind of scalp reactions, or if I get major flakiness around my scalp, then that's going to be just a tiny bit longer, and I will catch up with you then. Wild Rose Haven Homesteading.